You want to say something for a little promo or what?
I'm gonna spit my verses again. Yo.
Put my heart and soul right into this, and I can give a fuck about the feelings of a critic, bitch. Niggas always talking, never see them like ventriloquists. Niggas always working, Shark Clan anthologists. All my competition's novice, I promise I'm modest. You sleeping on me.
Shit, what's up, y'all? Shit. Niggas been working real hard, you feel me? We had to take a quick hiatus and just collect ourselves, you feel me? We back with Shark Clan, you know. SK 2014. I'm first up, dropping March 31st. This is the official release date for me, myself, and I. Man, niggas just worked hard as hell on the album, man. I produced everything on there, or had some part in the production process, you feel me? I'm mixing it on myself. Had some help from the homie 40 for the cover art, you feel me? But it's pretty much the basis of the album is, man, just like, fuck everybody else, nigga. I don't need nobody besides myself to do what the fuck I love to do, you feel me? And if you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you and you can fuck off. SK, bitch.